was more focusing onto cybersecurity because my latest experience was into vulnerabilities and Sentinel a little bit. So, like, so please suggest me any course or anything which will help me to boost my profile.
Course, I would say it is cyber security only. You need to learn malware analysis, SOC analysis, ISO 27001, ethical hacking, penetration testing, OWASP. Okay,
Okay.
there are so many typical and conventional cyber security concepts, tools, and topics that you need to learn. That way you can cover the 360 degrees view of the security. Anything related to security you will be able to cover,
Okay.
including IAM and PAM as well.